Hi everybody, Jared here. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing System Test 21. Or Fire Alarm Test 21, whatever you want to call it. So, we have the good old 9219 if my camera would focus right here. Now, before I go deeper into the video, sorry, I'm not really feeling well at the moment. I want to explain this. I want to give a big thank you for Fire Alarm 25967. And the reason why I want to give a big thank you to him, because look at all of this stuff. Fire alarms, more fire alarms, amber strobes, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide, heat detectors. You know, he's selling a bunch of this stuff. I mean, look at it. Look at all this stuff. Pull stations. And the reason why I am pointing this out is because I was about to make a few purchases with him. One of them was to get a back box for this guy right here. Unfortunately, I have not made those purchases, and one of the reasons why is because, well, I lost my job again, because since I work in the food industry, the governor decided to shut down the food industry again. And therefore, I lost my job. Let's not get any more into politics, because I honestly hate politics. Alright? Good. So, please take a look at his eBay account, YouTube channel, please. I really do appreciate if you go and help support some of your fire alarm friends and stuff like that, because it not only helps them, but they can also make content and do whatever they want. Okay, moving on. So, I was asked a few videos back saying if this thing was physically doing March time. Well, the answer is no. That was doing it. So, what I have planned for this thing, and for that over there, let's stick with the 9303 first. So, what I want to do with this thing is, since it is a speaker strobe, I can use this for multiple different things. One of them being mimicking horn strobe. It could be a chime strobe, even though it's not very common. You see 4903s like this set up as a chime strobe. And I also am working on a bell feature for this, so that if I wanted to, I can produce a bell tone with the speaker. Some of the signals that I might think of making is code 3, vibrating, not single stroke, there's a difference between the two. Code 44 is one of them. I like code 44. 4444 is another coding that I think I might produce. And I think I might produce the 90 beat per minute march time. Either vibrating or single. Unfortunately, like I said, I have to get parts for this. I am not rushing to get all this stuff done. This is just a project that I want to do for myself, within my current budget line. Now for this thing here, moving on, this might be going with the 9219. I still have to measure this out, put a few holes in here, one through here, one down here. And besides putting the microcontrol panel in here, what I think I might also put in here is my glasses, my essential needs, like my house keys and stuff like that. Just in case if I needed them for whatever reason. The first thing I know where they are is inside this panel. I gotta keep my eyes and ears out open because the fire department is doing their Santa run right now, and I don't want to miss that. So, I think y'all know what time it is now. It's fire alarm test time. Last one for 2020 starts right now. So I'm not going to be running March time or code 3 because it sounds like the files are messed up again. And I want to take a look at this detector because I thought I made a mistake in something. This smoke detector is not a BRK, which I thought it was. This smoke detector is a model SA303. I thought it was a BRK. And I actually almost got this going off on a video a few days ago, but just because. Alright. Not all though. Let's go downstairs, test that smoke detector, because I haven't tested it in a while. Alright. Best tool ever invented, the precision, step stool. Because I cannot reach this thing. I still cannot get this thing off. I still don't know the model of that smoke detector. Alrighty. And there's somebody going up the street looking out my window. Alright, everybody. That will be the end of the test for 2020. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.